So I ask you, if I'm making a YouTube video listing books on Amazon and delivering food for people, is a triple hustle enough? And Elliot, just to let you know, here we are again. That would be because Jordan is burning the chicken wings. Not really. They're not burning. There is no fire. Always something happening in Seaside. It's getting worse. Even Japan. Okay, you guys. So, some big actions have been happening over the last months, and today seems to start the new life. So, I thought I would do a little introduction for you guys. We are pulled over, actually going to the bathroom. We are on our way to our potentially new home in Boulder Creek, California. Today we're doing a walkthrough with the inspectors. They didn't do anything on the house to check it out, so we're checking it out. We have to pay for that. And check out the electricals and the HVAC and the condition of the house and termites and all that kind of stuff. So I just want to do a little introduction. I'll do more when we get to the house. But it has been a process. This is basically the fifth house that we've been trying to get a hold of. It has been a crazy year. And as this video goes on, we will tell you guys more about that. So, got my COVID hair on, got my mask ready to go when we get there since we'll be dealing with other people. But it is now September. It is September 20th, I believe. September 20th? 20th? 21st? It's either September 20th or 21st. Fall. It's fall. Coming up here in the mountains. Raccoon was just commenting on how much it feels like fall. So, yeah, so we're just stopping for a quickie pee on the way, and then we'll be getting to the house, and we'll tell you more about that. So excited! Okay, you guys, so we just got to the house. It is indeed September 21st, and the inspector is here. The garage is open. We've actually never seen it open. There's the raccoon, real estate agent, the inspector. So it's about 3:30 in the afternoon. You can see it's already pretty shady here. We're going to take a walk around. We're just going to see what's here. The purpose of today is to see what condition the house is in as the inspector sees it, and also to make a list of stuff that we want to go bye-bye. So, all right, we'll start taking a walk around and take pictures, and we can make a list from there. Okay. So we're not sure what these giant logs are for. They're about 6 or 8 feet long. And we don't know yet what this platform is. Maybe it's a 1950s bunker. The rest of the yard.
Someone living in there, like in Parasite.
You can see the roof here is not great, but we don't know how bad it is.
The tarp fine at least.
I think that one at the end needs to be replaced. We just opened this. We were curious what it was. You want to open it again?
No.
And we discovered it's just more wood. We don't quite know why this is here. And it's insulated, so maybe it was something else besides that.
Chicken house.
But yeah, just a lot of stuff laying around. We don't know what this thing is yet. If it's just a sump or what. But we have not been into this shed yet. Raccoon is very excited about this as a workout studio area.
Oh my god.
Oh, you can fully park a car in here. It's even got a, is that drain? I don't see a drain, but it tilts.
What do you mean it tilts?
The floor tilts. So it's pretty.
I can.
He's excited to put a gym in here.
I mean, the cross beam, it's like, okay, it's not as intrusive as...
It's electric.
So it's like, do I even need to bring my platform, or can I just cover this all with stall mats?
So we just found out why there's a tarp.
Hey, that's it.
There's a hole. We don't know why there's a hole. But
break from the inside or rot.
Looks like
there's over there too.
Oh, you know what it looks like?
Yeah.
Looks like trees. Maybe trees fell.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're guessing. Yeah, since it looks like branches fell. Might be hard to see. And over here, it's not too bad. Some overgrown roses.
Okay.
Some nasty plastic flowers. Pots. Mostly concerned about this.
Okay.
Back here you can see we have more wood. And it looks like a car hood. Some tires. Those need to go away.
Okay. Okay. Alright, cool. Yeah, yeah, no problem. Actually, right now I'm actually at the house that I'm buying right now. So. Celebrate too.
This is Marcella. She is our, what's your official title?
I'm your friend.
She's our friend in the real estate business. So
Right.
she's helping us navigate all of these potholes, bumps in the road, all the things we don't know. And she's been amazing. This is our 5th house we're going through this process. So it's very exciting. So thanks.
It's been a blast working with you guys.
Thanks.
So
All right, so here's the upper property. You can see the area up there that's burned where they put a fire break. And then we've got little areas. We don't know when these trees burned. It was not in the recent fire because this is built into a burned out tree, and so is this.
Look at the tiny red. They're still standing.
Don't quite know what this area is here.
Is this still the property? It's so weird. It's like
Was a special herb garden here. It looks like it's been yanked out of the ground, which we
Remnant.
kind of anticipated.
Remnant.
But this is the garden area in the sump area for the septic system.
So literally just cut the stalk and pulled the weeds, pulled it out, but like didn't actually like. Oh, but look, there's a couple berries here.
This is all blackberries here.
So, well, since it's not a blackberry yet, it's a red berry. Is that edible still?
Okay, you guys, we've been here for about 2 hours. I don't know if I got everything on film, but we are very excited. We went with the inspector, and the house is like 95% good. There's just little fit and form things like that. The roof is good, the electricals are good, the plumbing is good, the gas lines and everything else looked good. The house looks pretty solid. There's little flashing details on the roof and stuff like that, but yeah. So how you feeling about it? That's feeling good. So yeah, we're feeling good about the inspection, everything, and moving forward. Another day on the 21st of September. All right, you guys, so we are preparing to move out of this house in Seaside in T-minus 3 weeks. Yes, we're excited to move on. But so we did a little cleaning today. We power washed 3 sides of the house. We did the other side of the house a couple weeks ago with all the ash and the spider webs and all that stuff. It needed it. So I just thought I'd give you a little tour about what we did today. Moving on to a different part of our life, and yeah. So, all right, let's take a little tour. So here is the side yard. Also taking pictures for the landlord, that they can see that we did a good job cleaning up. This is the side yard where the garbage cans go. Here's the bougainvillea. I trimmed all that today. And here is the main patio area. So there's the door, and you can see this is nice and clean. We didn't clean the wood too much. We didn't want to change the color and have it striped, so we just cleaned off the bird poop and stuff like that. Patio is nice and sparkly clean. And the porch and the entrance to the garage, everything looking good there. We cleaned our little outdoor carpets, squeaky clogs, and we did this. Now the deck was stained with where the carpets are, but you know, it just changes color all the time. So, but you can see the house is nice and clean. Taking some quick snaps here. Got rid of all the spider webs and ash. Got rid of the yucky pots and plants, and cleaned this whole side down here so it looks nice and clean. Actually washed all the plants with this power sprayer too, just to get the ash off. So here's the yard for the future. And if you watched the other videos, you guys are already familiar with the plum tree. So it's looking pretty sparkly clean. So, all right, feeling good. I guess the biggest thing is up here, super sparkly clean. So there you go. All right, just a little tour, 2 sides there. The one side is just a small little thing, and the front, we'll probably talk about that a different day, but there it is, nice and clean and shiny. Alright, if you ever wanted to know what it means to be an Amazon salesperson selling books, yeah, it looks like this and this. But here's a new shipment getting ready. 105 books packed. Next comes the labeling, which is all of these sheets. Yeah, we're getting there. Yeah, that was a while ago. Here's today's goal. Cleaning up. It's making me crazy. Yeah. Today is 201. That was a while ago. Going to work on this today. Trying to get ready to pack up. There's just crap everywhere. I've been trying to send as much as I can to Amazon. Now this. Alright, so this is stuff that's going. All those are empty boxes, and that's just packing material. Look at this corner. All packed out. Still a mess over here, but got shelves and all the spaces up there. So we're getting there. We're getting there. And just thought I'd show you all this stuff is going to the thrift store who's coming on Wednesday. So yeah, that's exciting. Some empty boxes over there for packing. But yeah, I emptied a lot of stuff here, a lot of blank spaces. We're getting there. Now we gotta do this. This is actually food and cleaning supplies. So I'm tired. Happy Sunday. Hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, this is a process. A little bit of a pack rat. A little bit. So when you're out cruising around, if you keep your eyes open, people leave boxes that they've used for moving everywhere. And I picked up a whole bunch yesterday. So some of these are just regular boxes, but some of them are like super nice banker's boxes. I'm just shocked. So, hot moving tip. So here's my box hoard. These are all empty. I've started packing up a lot of this stuff, believe it or not, over here in these boxes. But all of those up there are labeled. You can see the small labels in the bottom right corner. Those are a lot of business books, t-shirts, all that stuff. Taste test products, Cooter's weights, paints for the house, and some more moving boxes up there. We're getting there. It's a little late in the day. Bugs. Just got back from a drive, and what's with the bugs? Beautiful sunset. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. But yeah, so we did the yard today. Our last time doing the yard. Not my favorite yard, but nice crisp edges. Except for that, where the birds digging it. But cleaned up all the edges of the plants. Looks good. So one thing off the list, and move is coming along. Oh, right. Just making sure everything's running here. It is October 19th, and we are in a holding pattern. Raccoon is doing everything to make sure that the house is going through and on the phone to people, and I'm doing everything I can to make sure the house is packed and ready to go. I think we're about 95% there. The only thing that's left out is the stuff we need to live, like dishes and one pot and one pan and printer and computers and things like that. Also TV and bed and stuff like that is big. But I think I've got the rest of the house packed and labeled. So I thought I would do a little house tour for you guys, and you can see where we're at. I know this is all going to be in the past when you see this, but it's taking up our whole lives right now. So let's take a little tour. So I don't know about you, but I'm tired of doing this project. Just want stuff to go through so we can be done. Oh, look, even cleaned out these cupboards up here. That's just daily lifting gym stuff and dryer stuff. So yeah, look, I even have leftover boxes, leftover new boxes, which I didn't buy. I found them on the side of the street because that's what I do. But yeah, getting there. Okay, shower time.